structure for needn't. Let's look at the structure for this grammar. There are a few structures that we're going to go through. Here is the first one. Nice and easy. Needn't plus a basic verb. This is the main structure of needn't. So have a look at the example. The couple won a huge sum of money, and as such, needn't work again for the rest of their lives. So here we have needn't plus the basic verb work. They needn't work, which means they don't have to work again for the rest of their lives. Now I'm sure you've noticed that needn't is a negative. Why haven't we looked at the positive form? Well, here is why. The positive form is extremely rare and overly formal. As such, we will focus on the negative in these lectures. However, I will show you the structure for the positive form anyway. It's need plus a basic verb. So look at the example below. Don't worry, I will keep this secret. You need never worry about anyone finding out. This use of need is extremely rare and very, very formal. Even when we use the positive form, need, we usually use a negative word like never. So even in the positive form, the sentence is actually negative. In this example, we could easily just say, you needn't worry about anyone finding out. It sounds more natural and less formal. So as I said, don't worry about the positive form too much. It's very rare, overly formal, and even when we do use the positive form in a sentence, we actually use a negative word after. So the sentence becomes a negative. In that sense, it's just easier to say needn't. That's just the way this grammar works. So the negative form is the only real form of this particular grammar. Now there's one more thing that we have to look at. It's the past of this form. So to talk about the past, we use needn't plus have plus a past participle verb. For example, I needn't have worn a suit to the party. Everyone was dressed rather casually. In this example, I needn't have worn a suit to the party. I'm saying that I did wear a suit, but I regret it. I needn't have. I shouldn't have worn a suit because everyone else was dressed casually. So when we use needn't have plus past participle to talk about the past, we're saying we did this, but we didn't have to. We're almost saying we regret it. We shouldn't have done it, but the action is finished. Okay? Now move on to the things to note lecture. I'll see you there.